Stability is engineered, not assumed. Transformation happens behind steel walls. Form prepares to meet function. Protection begins with containment.
Every medical capsule begins far from the factory floor, at controlled crocodile farms.
Only verified, traceable animals enter the crocodile skeleton medicine chain.
Movement is calm, controlled, and carefully documented.
Every skeleton is accounted for before leaving the farm.
Transport begins under strict industrial protocols. Temperature control preserves skeletal integrity from the first mile. Nothing moves forward without verification.
Distance separates nature from precision manufacturing.
This is where biology meets engineering.
Every entry is logged, every shipment tracked.
Inside these walls, raw skeletons become precise medicine. The factory process is about to begin. Separation ends when transport meets production. Environmental control remains unbroken.
Verification happens again at the factory threshold.
Data clears the path forward. Manual handling hands off to machinery.
This is the line between outside and inside. Everything here is built for consistency.
Flow is continuous, never interrupted.
Human control supports mechanical precision. Cleanliness is enforced at every boundary.
Movement is planned long before it happens.
And materials. Time and material stay perfectly aligned. The transformation is about to begin. Here, separation begins with absolute precision. Machines guide hands, not the other way around. Nothing is wasted, nothing misplaced. Two industries, one synchronized system. Quality is verified before chemistry begins.
Purity is built step by step.
Preparation leads directly to refinement.
Consistency begins before cleaning.
Water prepares bones for transformation. Now, true purification begins. Parallel lines ensure every resource is used responsibly. Strict zoning keeps processes independent. Data tracks value at every stage.
Precision extends beyond the skeleton line.
Cleanliness is non-negotiable.
Human judgment complements automation.
Only approved material moves ahead. Traceability links every output. Temperature control preserves quality. Information binds every process together. Now, attention returns to the bones. The core process never stops.
Purification is about to intensify.
Cleaning begins at industrial scale. Movement replaces manual force. Separation continues without pause. Every surface is addressed.
Machines clean, humans confirm.
Detail defines pharmaceutical quality.
Cleaning happens in layers. Preparation sets the stage for chemistry. Conditioning begins gently.
Time is as critical as temperature.
The raw phase is complete. Order prepares material for stability. Now, preservation truly begins. Stability is engineered, not assumed. Isolation ensures consistency. Air becomes a precision tool. Numbers protect material integrity.
Curing is patient by design.
Drying removes risk, not strength. Excess is removed systematically. Human checks confirm machine results. Material exits stabilized and ready.
Balance prevents stress fractures.
Only compliant material advances. Approval is the final checkpoint.
Now, form is defined.
Control defines every cut. Precision replaces brute force. Flow prevents damage. Uniformity is engineered. Standards are enforced digitally. Nothing leaves the system unused. Material transitions toward refinement. Transformation happens behind steel walls.
Consistency is measured in microns.
Deviation corrects itself. Form is now fundamentally changed. The final refinement begins.
This is where medicine takes shape.
Refinement moves beyond shape. Smoothness defines absorption. Consistency is now tactile.
Purity is visually confirmed.
Science fine-tunes nature. Uniformity is engineered at scale. Only the finest remains. The ingredient is now complete. Form prepares to meet function. Dosage is exact by design. Each unit becomes whole. Nothing escapes inspection. Completion leads directly to protection. Protection begins with containment. Accuracy extends beyond filling. Sealing preserves integrity. Every unit carries its history.
Visibility confirms compliance.
Security is built in. Individual units become shipments. Logistics begins on the line. Scale is built vertically.
Stability is locked in.
Storage protects value.
Timing completes preparation.
The product is ready to move. Distribution begins with precision. Security follows the product outward. Manufacturing gives way to access. Scale expands beyond the factory. Tracking never ends. From bulk to individual care.
Presentation builds trust.
The journal narrows to one choice.
The process comes full circle.
From factory floor to patient care.
Every step mattered.
And this is how modern factories produce crocodile skeleton medicine capsules from start to finish.